Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Avoiding killed, 9 in Python, a deep dive into memory management and array creation. The dreaded killed, 9 error in Python, especially when dealing with arrays, is a sign that your program is being terminated by the operating system due to excessive memory consumption. This usually happens when you try to create arrays that are too large to fit in available RAM. This tutorial will guide you through understanding why this happens, identifying scenarios prone to causing it, and providing various strategies for avoiding it. Understanding the root cause, memory limits and the kernel. The killed, 9 signal is formally SIGKILL. It's the most forceful way an operating system can terminate a process. It means the kernel is stepping in and saying, this process is consuming too many resources, usually memory, and I'm killing it to protect the system's stability. Here's a breakdown. 1. Virtual